Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of part 9. Recently I had uploaded 3 parts. You can watch it for more clarity from part 1, 2, 3 and this is part 4. In our previous videos, we have learned 2 important things like first, think in small English thoughts. Second, name the things around you in English. But there is one method that can prove your English even faster and it is called the self-talk method. Okay, so here, and the best part is you can practice it anytime, anywhere without a partner. What is self-talk? What is self-talk? Self-talk means talking to yourself in English, not loudly like a speech. Just describe what you are doing, thinking or feeling. We already talk to ourselves in our minds every day. The only difference is that now we will do it in English. You know why self-talk works, why it works? Because many of us say, I have nobody to speak English with. But think about it. Who is always with you? It's you is always with you. That means you always have a speaking partner. When you talk to yourself in English, your brain gets regular English practice. Okay, like for example, morning routine. Instead of thinking in your native language, try thinking in English. I am awake. I need to get up. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting ready for the day. These are simple thoughts that match your real actions. Okay. And another example, like while studying, suppose you are studying English. Talk to yourself like this lesson is very easy. I understand this topic. I need more practice. I will finish this chapter today. So now English is becoming part of your daily thinking. Okay. Like for example, imagine you are making tea. Okay. Think like I am making tea. The water is boiling. The tea smells good. The tea is ready. Did you notice something? You are speaking English without memorizing grammar rules. Okay. Next, another example like while walking, you are walking outside. You look around and think the road is busy. Many people are walking. The weather is hot today. The shop is closed. So you are turning daily life into English practice. Okay. And let's assume while watching TV, suppose you are watching a movie. You can think like this. This movie is interesting. I like this character. That scene was funny. I don't understand this word. Again, remember simple English thoughts. Don't worry about mistakes. Okay. What if my grammar is wrong? Don't worry about this. Your goal is making the brain comfortable with English. Okay. When children learn their first language, they make hundreds of mistakes. Nobody expects perfection from a learner. The purpose of self-talk is not perfect grammar. The purpose is to make English feel natural. So speak to yourself in English every day. Small self-talk today, fluent English tomorrow. So self-talk is like a private English classroom that is always with you. You don't need a teacher, you don't need a friend, you don't need perfect grammar. Just talk to yourself in simple English every day. The more you do it, the more comfortable your brain becomes with English. And comfortable brains speak English more confidently. Clear? Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for regular videos.